This tutorial is to review the basic settings of the easyTone. To access the basic settings, select the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Select Settings and then Basic. The setting options include Language. Tap the down arrow for selection of available languages. For screening mode, you have two options. Screening List allows a subject can be selected from a list uploaded with the easyTone companion software. Or Single Screening, which allows entering a single subject before the test is started. With Single Screening mode, no subject results are stored within the app. When Screening List mode is enabled, a secondary option on the screen is displayed, titled Screening List Transfer. Leave this set to easyTone Companion unless instructed otherwise. When Single Screening mode is enabled, a secondary option on the screen is displayed, titled Automatic Test Options. This feature was introduced with the addition of automatic testing implemented in app version 2.0. When this setting is turned on, the app will display a test finish screen at the completion of the automatic test. This will stop immediate transition to the results screen to facilitate screener explaining results. Ear side representation displays the ear selection side within the test screen. This also displays the ear order on the results screen and report printout. And the last setting is result display type. Selection options include table or audiogram. This display selection is used on the results screen and the report printout. This completes the tutorial on basic settings. Please continue through the tutorial series for additional easyTone instruction.